Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to see how we can apply this conditional formatting practically into your worksheet. So in this given example, we have 1 month data with us from 1st May 2020 to 31st May 2020. I need a particular weekday to be highlighted. Say example, I need all the Fridays in a different fill color so that I can identify, yes, these are the Fridays in this list. So it is not practical that every time I go to the calendar and I check which is Friday. So I apply a fill color, which is the next Friday, I apply the next fill color. So instead what we do is we highlight this range. Make sure we are not highlighting the column headings. I'm not including my column headings. I start selecting from A to up to F32. Conditional formatting, manage rule, new rule. I pick the last option, that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then my formula is to identify the weekday. Since I need Friday, I'm writing a formula equal to weekday, bracket open, blocking my column, $A2, bracket close, equal to 6. If you need a Saturday, you will write equal to 7. If you need a Sunday to be highlighted, you will write equal to 1. So after writing the formula, I go to format. From the fill tab, I am selecting a different fill color. Okay, okay, apply and okay. So that you can see the Fridays in the month of May are highlighted here in a different color. Let us see how we can select both Fridays and Saturdays in a different color. So for this, we will use a different formula. So selection is this time from A36 to F66. My 1 month data I highlighted. Conditional formatting, manage rule, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. This time, since I need a color, if it is a Friday, I need a color, or if it is a Saturday, I need a color. So I start with equal to or, bracket open, weekday, bracket open. Make sure you are selecting the correct cell address here, $A36, bracket close, equal to 6. I need a Friday. Again, I put a comma. One more formula, weekday, bracket open, dollar $A36, bracket close, equal to 7, bracket close. Then I go to format. I pick a fill. I pick a different fill color. Okay, okay, play and okay. So that you can see in the given list, all the Fridays and Saturdays are highlighted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.